Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. Today we will show you how to merge files using PDF.co PDF Merger Web API in Python. We will use these two sample PDFs in this demo. First, let's add our sample PDFs to our Python program folder. Next, if you haven't yet, kindly install the requests module. You can do it by running this python mpip install requests in your command line. Then, open the Python sample code in your Visual Studio. You can get the Python sample code in your PDF.co API docs. In line 6, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In lines 12 to 13, add your source PDF files. Then, enter your desired output PDF file name in line 16. After setting up, you can now run the program. Great. Our test was a success. Let's open the Python program folder to see the result. Here's the output that we successfully merge into a single PDF. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.